Yo, what up guys? I have another unboxing I want to share with you guys. I have two boxes I want to share with you. One box is a Comic Fu mystery box, but not from Building a Mystery. This is from one of his auctions, and I picked it up, so I wanted to share with you guys what might be in this mystery box. Also I picked up is a Comic Vantage mystery box. So let's see what's in both these boxes. Alright, so here we go. Alright guys, so as I said in the intro, I got a Comic Fu mystery box. So let's see what we pull out of this mystery box. Like I said, this ain't from Building a Mystery, so this is just off of his auction. So we'll see just a random mystery box from a community member. I always try to support. Set it down here. Alright. So, as I said, it is right here. I won also another comic book. So let's see. I don't remember now. Oh yeah, that's right. It's a Virgin cover. Tyler Kirkham. Convention exclusive. Dark Knight's Metal number 6. Very cool cover. I don't know, I just like the way Batman looked. You know, it's a little bit of the classic Batman from the cartoon. So, I had to pick it up. Alright. And this is his mystery box. And you know, Comic Fu, he enjoys his green paper. So it's mystery box number 4. So let's open it up and see. Alright. So not a bad bunch of books I see here. Alright, let's see what we got. We have Justice League number 1. Tyler Kirkham, Unknown Comics. Alright. Very cool looking cover. Alright. All New Avengers 55. Very cool cover, man. Alright, this is one of my comic books that I'm really starting to get into. Ghost Rider. Alright. So this says first appearance of Michael Badlin? I think I know this is somewhat of a key. Alright. Very cool looking cover. It is X-Men Wolverine. Look at that. Very cool looking cover. Alright, let's see. The Twilight Experiment. Very cool cover. Alright, here's another one. The Punisher War Journal. Alright. I've heard good things about this book. So that is very cool. Alright. Fantastic Four 253. A 60 center. Can't go wrong with Fantastic Four. Alright. So there we go. And I'm not too sure. It's a Rats. Man, I don't know if I'm colorblind or what. Here you go, I'll just show you guys. So there we go. It's a furry book. Only from Fu, right? Alright. Wonder Man. 1 of 5. Very cool. Alright, I gotta really fix this camera. It keeps going in and out of focus. Hellblazer from Vertigo. Alright. Very cool book. That was the Comic Fu Mystery Box. Alright, so my Season 22 Comic Vantage box. So let's see what we get out of this. We all know you want one sticker out of this Comic Vantage box. So let's see. And I got the original Comic Vantage sticker off this one. So that's very cool. Pull tabs, of course. It's been a while since I got a Comic Vantage box, but I ordered this one, and I ordered a Comic Vantage Season 23. So let's see what we got. Alright. Very cool. From IDW, Rising Sun. A very cool looking book. Alright, book number 2. All New Invaders. Very cool book. Alright, I'm digging this next book. So, we're already into the sticker, so it's not a big hit, but you know what? John Boy variant. The Jokers. With Punchline. To be honest with you, that is a very cool looking cover. So I am not disappointed in that. That is an awesome looking cover. Yeah, I like that. I like that. Alright. Shadow Man. Very cool. Not too bad looking. And this has a Singer variant, $10. And this Joker one I didn't say, but it's a $10 book too. Alright, my final books is Gen 13, a $25 book. I'm not too sure about what Gen 13 is about, but I could tell you that this is an homage to Spider-Man #1. So that's very cool. And that is worth $25. Or estimated value, but I believe that's what it is, $25. So I'll give it a take. But not a bad Comic Vantage mystery box. But I gotta say, out of the Comic Vantage, I don't know. This is my favorite cover so far. Alright guys, thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed my video opening a Comic Fu mystery box and a Comic Vantage mystery box. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.